Moroccan cuisine. For Morocco!
So here is the marketplace of Weinheim. Some restaurants, coffee, Abdelrahim.
Ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah.
Are we eating ice cream today?
Hope so. Okay, and here we go. La Cantina.
The food here is well above excellence.
The best Italian restaurant in Weinheim. Ah, Alberto.
Alberto, the chef.
Ciao.
How are you doing?
Hello. Alles gut?
Geribe. Organisieren wir da drin Kochkurs.
Oh. So here you see the kitchen. One of the cooks, actually.
Dottore, buonasera. Buonasera, buonasera, buonasera.
You do it?
No, tu. Niet knogen, ohne knogen.
With bone or without bone?
Abdelrahim from Morocco.
For Morocco!
Alberto from?
Italy.
And André from?
Germany. Or Abdelrahim from Tunisia.
Oh, we will clean it again with lemon juice.
Look.
The same.
Yes, the same.
Mohammed is from Syria, Aleppo.
Oh.
Like these slides.
This?
Slides, yeah.
So the onion
Yeah.
and slides.
Slices.
One we need to just so it's easy to be cooked. So we
Bed
don't have to
of
put a lot.
onion. Olive oil.
I believe so.
Yes.
Okay, we go in the kitchen.
To wait.
Onion is ready somehow. So let's add some spices. I mean not spices. I'm sorry.
Kurkuma.
What is it? It's a mixture? Is it a mixture?
Yeah, it's a mixture of spices.
How do you call it in Morocco?
we call it خليطة.
خليطة.
خليطة فيها
Okay.
البصار كمون
Kamoon.
salt. I
Yes.
think there is hot.
Wow,
I don't think
it's a little bit hot.
over here.
So, carrots.
Yes.
And now the potatoes.
Okay, you know then how to do it.
Wow. Potatoes. Look so nice, huh?
Tajine is small.
So beautiful.
It's a little bit hard to prepare when tajine is small,
And now?
but it's okay. Yeah, you can put. I mean, for the olives, we either put it now or maybe we put it later because olive is already ready,
Yeah,
so we don't have to
sure.
put it now. But it's okay. We can.
Saffron.
In the top.
On the top.
On the top.
Now.
Now?
Yeah. And so we can.
So
some
saffron
paper.
we put on the top and also
No,
the
not-
petersilia. What is it in English? Petersilia?
Parsley.
Parsley. Thank
Parsley,
you.
yeah.
Parsley.
Also some parsley.
Now, parsley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And look.
Petersilia.
Fresh. Look. Fresh parsley.
Pedele.
Peterle.
We do it like this and we put it on fire.
But I have to go a bit away because it's so hot.
So that means it's ready.
Hello?
Or less.
I don't think
How
so.
do you know?
Yes.
We give it more 5 minutes?
Ja,
Tajine. Wow.
alles weg.
And look.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, so delicious.
Sorry.
Erst einmal den Teller leer essen.
Essen
Hey,
Und
what?
dann neue Teller. Und dann fangen wir an.
Okay, so we are done today. We did a nice cooking and it was really delicious. Thank you very much for all of you. And okay, so see you next time.
Tajine is over.
Oh.
Alberto, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Bella, ciao, bella,
Ciao, Bella.
ciao. Ciao.
Thank you and
Thank you.
come to Morocco.
Ciao.
One day.
Ciao.
Er sagt, wenn du mal nach Marokko kommst, komm ihn
No
besuchen.
problem.
Thank you very much for
Go.
Thank you.
It was nice having dinner with you and cooking in your lovely kitchen.
And yeah, it's a nice opportunity that Abdelrahim came from Morocco to us, and also for our Food Roots event. It was a really nice opportunity, and thank you very much. Ja. Abdelrahim and André Brehm.
Bye.
Woohoo! Bye from Weinheim.
¿Español?
Sí, español y
¿Cómo
alemán.
te llamas?
Manolo. Manolo o Manuel. Es igual.
Ah, Manolo, Manolo.
Abdelrahim.
Ibrahim.
Okay.
Ibrahim.
Diplomatico. Lorbeer.
I'm cooking tea. Come.
Ja.
So, ab. Ohne Alberto kannst du vergessen, ne?
Ohne Öl, was ist
Ohne
das?
Öl. Ab in den Ofen.
Ohne. Joaidin. Warum شكاكة؟
Restaurante.
Ristorante.
Mitgenommen. Alles.
Alles mitgenommen?
All good.
All good.
Mohammed, thank you.
Mohammed. Barakallahu fik. Tschüss, Wolfgang.
Nehmt ihr den Wolfgang auch mit?
Tschüss. Vielen Dank.
Und der Spanier auch.
Dankeschön.
Und der Wolfgang und der Manolo.
Weißt du, wo der Manolo wohnt?